What if you could turn a $10 million startup idea into a fully functional product, just using prompts? No dev team, no sleepless nights, no code. That's exactly what I did with MiniMax Agent Max. Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how I used MiniMax Agent Max to build a startup app from scratch. The idea? Service Hero from Greg Eisenberg's idea browser. The execution? Handled entirely by Agent Max. Let's start with the basics. MiniMax Agent Max is like if ChatGPT had a baby with a product engineer, a UX researcher, and a full-stack developer. It can research deeply, build production-ready full-stack apps, integrate with tools like Stripe and Supabase, run tests, and reflect on what it's building, all in a single workflow. It even comes with open weights and 1M token context window. So I picked Service Hero from Idea Browser, a simple but powerful concept, and I fed that into Agent Max with one prompt. Build this startup idea into a fully functional, production-ready app that includes all outline features. That's it. Agent Max didn't just start building randomly. It spent the first few minutes understanding the idea, outlining a roadmap, and creating a checklist of tasks, just like a seasoned PM. Then it got to work, executing the to-do list step by step. It handled everything from UI to backend logic, database schema, and even deployment configurations. And I could watch the progress live. For this app, I used Supabase for authentication, data storage, and edge functions. Stripe in sandbox mode for payment integration. You can plug in other tools too, but these two are more than enough to get started. Agent Max also performed comprehensive testing. It caught issues early and fixed them before deployment. That level of self-reflection and debugging is rare in agentic AI tools. And minutes later, the app was live, online, with a working URL. No code, no deployments, just AI doing the heavy lifting. The more complex the task, the more credits you'll burn. But honestly, it's worth every token. Agent Max is the closest I've seen to a true AI co-founder. From idea to execution, it doesn't just assist, it builds. If you're a builder, founder, or dreamer, this is your moment. Start small, iterate fast, and let Agent Max handle the grunt work. Like, share, and subscribe if you want more Build with AI content. And drop in the comments, what's your startup idea? Maybe Agent Max builds it next.